Okay, share this video. Yeah, if I'll message you well for MCIs, but before then, watch this video. Watch this video.
You are setting up Ebuka for dragging. You set up Ebuka for dragging. You set up Ebuka for dragging. Now, I don't see what you do since with Very Dark Man and B-Lord. It is obvious that from your post, they support B-Lord. They antagonize Ratels and they antagonize Very Dark Man. Fine and good. I don't say make you don't support anybody because you said that businessman you be. But the reason why make me do this video and because of my brother Ebuka who is from my own business. You know, you statesman. You understand? Now, the reason why I do this video is say you, Akosayon, was nobody. You were nobody on this social media space, if not for the sake of Zion Ministry. People knew you through Zion Ministry. Nobody knew who you are until Zion Ministry came to light. And everything you do on social media, including the Zoro meters you sell, is tied to the success of Ebuka. If anybody wants to drag you, the person will not drag you directly. The person will target that foundation with which you stand. You know, go good. Make Very Dark Man start to drag Ebuka because of you. If the church members and the church cabinet will call you to order, me, I advise you as Mr. Advisor 2026. I tell you now, because when it will happen, I will still stay here. They look, they laugh. All the pastors who Very Dark Man don't drag, check all of them, they know where their body did. You know good, you know, I know it and I tell you firsthand. You know good. As you lay down and you start the drag Very Dark Man, nobody will talk to you. Very Dark Man never call your name before. He never drank any of your products before. But you, as a businessman, you carry them on top of your head. Every time you be right, you do video, you do this one. Don't worry. When Very Dark Man go begin drag you, make nobody talk say Very Dark Man, they drag you go person. Or they drag you go pastor. Because I know say Very Dark Man, no go, you know, even look you. The next person now we go begin talk about now, my brother, Ebuka, which I will plead with him not to do so. Stop doing this thing you are setting up Ebuka for drag. Please, stop it. Stop it. You feel support anybody where you feel support, no problem. But for the sake of what you represent, Baba, you are doing too much. One post is okay. For this one, you want from content creator, you want to use style. They sell your own market. Market will not they sell on that grasses. You want because of your own selfish interest, spoil the good work where Ebuka they do. Because of your selfish interest. You want spoil the good work where Ebuka they do. Because when the drag you go start, you go there here. You go there here, the only thing I go do, as my son and my Imo brother, I go begin beg. Very Dark Man, I beg. Tune it down on Ebuka. Tune it down on Ebuka. Tune it down on Ebuka. I don't go do pass like that. Because I talk, I advise. I would advise you not go hear me. You are a businessman. What coincides with what Very Dark Man is doing, with what B-Lord is doing? When they take sides, one form say, don't worry. But all Zion Ministry members should talk to this man. Talk to him. You know they try. When he go set, I will still be here. Last.
This nonsense is why some of these people who have rattled so they irritating so much. At the main sight of them and the way some of them will reason only irritating. MCIs, I'm very, very disappointed at you with this kind of nonsense email or in the name of a video. Analyze of my before you are a human being and you are a rattle, and you can go any length to defend VDM, even sometimes when he starts dishing out his nonsense. Akosayon is a human being, and you think Akosayon has no right to stand in any side of the divide abortion, and he doesn't have any right to render support and solidarity to whoever he wants to. Evangelist Ebuka is Evangelist Ebuka, who is the spiritual director of Zion Ministry. Akosayon is Dume, who is the CEO of Zoro Meters. Can you tell me what Evangelist Ebuka and Akosayon have to do that they cannot live their separate life separately? Sometimes I don't know how most of you reason. The one who say glorify VDM as if he's God. He might be your God, but it's not our God. Some of you, so now the reason why many people despise VDM so much. I'm sorry to say this. Some of your behaviors and your actions, just look at how you are making VDM look like he is the Alpha and Omega. Look at the VDM now. When he will start dragging Evangelist Ebuka. So, Keta Kunu put on a VDM dragging, call event man. Go and check all the pastors that he has dragged. He dragged Pastor Jeremiah. Tell me one single thing that has changed about Pastor Jeremiah. He dragged Pastor Chris Okafor. Tell me one single thing that has changed about Pastor Chris Okafor. Now, some of you now on the phone. Oh, now on the phone. This is why I keep busy your call. I'm going to make a video now. Somebody now repeatedly. Now I drop the call. The person kept on calling. It wasn't my phone drop. Well, man, I'm video there. So he dragged Chris Okafor. Tell me what has changed about the congregation of Pastor Chris Okafor today. Now, let me shock you in case if you don't know. He has dragged Evangelist Ebuka with jail and detention. Tell me one single thing that has changed about Evangelist Ebuka. The wahala is that you people keep making him look like a god, even when he is not. He is not. You keep talking about him dragging Evangelist Ebuka, dragging Evangelist Ebuka. VDM or Wenzibo Mado. Akosayo Yeju Eme Ife. Oje drag Evangelist Ebuka the innocent. You are making him and confirming him to be a blackmailer. Why will he not go for Akosayon? Why will he go for Evangelist Ebuka instead of Akosayon? Did Evangelist Ebuka wrong him in any way? If Akosayon got for him, he should go for Akosayon. Or when Akosayon got for him, he will go for Evangelist Ebuka. It means he is a blackmailer. And you guys might not know a blackmailer. Yet, you keep supporting him and glorifying. I'm very disappointed at you with this video. So, you are now telling me that Akosayon cannot live his life simply because he's a member of Zion Ministry. Is that what you are telling me? So, in other words, when I told to go to group of blackmailers, when you blackmail people, when you bully her into silence, this video will name man. Yeah, you should just go to your page and delete this nonsense of a video. Because as far as I'm concerned, this is nonsense of a video. Akosayon cannot live his life because he's a member of Zion Ministry. Is that what you are telling me? That Akosayon will say something to metal? Then, how many things can Evangelist Ebuka be glorify about him by Akosayon? It's a question. So, just like you are free to say anything and make any video email, and nobody will come for you. But Akosayon made video now. People, video will go for Evangelist Ebuka be anything. Evangelist Ebuka be innocent. Evangelist Ebuka that did not call his name. Why he's trying to target Akosayon? You people should fear God. Sometimes I wonder. No, video. And this guy is serial blackmailer, and you people are busy confirming that is what he is. You are trying now to confirm to us that some of the people on our drag did not do anything to him after all. That he's only dragging them to get to people maybe have something. Is that not what you are trying to confirm to us? Glorifying him to be the king, Alpha and Omega, the way he is to you guys. You know what the kind of followers I will never wish to be. Or to the extreme. We are over 200 and something to 300 million Nigerians. You people cannot place one person to be above every other person. It can never happen. What are you telling me? Even the Igbo will make. So, you guys should continue training that demon. Continue growing that dragon. When that dragon rise up one day, yes, he told Odogukiwi something that he should do. Odogukiwi or instruct all the whole rattles to bring down his account. The same thing Odogukiwi has support on Ane also. Tell me where he will run for his own justice. Because that is just the fate or the happy that I melt on others who are merely airing their views or instruct all the whole rattles to bring down that account. One day, you MCIs, you will feel the pain and the taste of that same dragon and demon you are grooming today. We practice democracy in this country, and everybody is entitled to their own opinion. Except if you are leveling allegations against people that when you allege, you have to prove. But if it is all about people sharing their own opinion and ideology, opinions about things, my dear, you cannot stop anybody. You cannot even silence people from talking. So you people should go with all those threats and all this. Oh, yeah, drag Evangelist Ebuka. Did it take anything away from Zion Ministry? Zion Ministry continue growing from strength to strength. Jeremiah Ministry continue to grow from strength to strength. The same thing with other people. VDM is one man, and he cannot. It can never work. It's high time you people understand that Zion is a man who is living his life. And just like every other person who is a member of Zion Ministry, that is who he is, a member of Zion Ministry. You should stop making him look like he cannot live his life while you are living your own to the fullest. This video email complete and total rubbish. You only confirm to us that VDM is a serial blackmailer. If not, he has to go for Akosayon and not go for Evangelist Ebuka. It was Akosayon who made the video. It was Akosayon. He did whatever he's doing. It has nothing to do with Evangelist Ebuka. So why do you think he will leave Akosayon and go to Evangelist Ebuka? Are you confirming to us that that is exactly what he has been doing? My brother, pull down this video. This video, this video, over and off. Support Una and I got to the extreme. You guys have to be careful. You guys have to be careful. You can talk to the authorities that be in this country and in Bayefe. They could joke against VDM on a this one. Yeah, sometimes I feel ashamed of some of you because you guys are losing it completely. You guys are losing it completely in a country where even our leaders, Tinubu will live on Facebook. Our ministers will live on Facebook. Yet they have the power to control the police. They are not doing that, and nobody can talk against VDM. Yet, if what signifies is that there is no impunity, nobody should claim monopoly of power. That was how he came out. He said that be you in this country, that you are there for people to talk to you. Now you people are making him now to be the Alpha and Omega, direct opposite of what he's preaching. Nobody can talk to VDM, nobody can condemn his actions, nobody can even discuss about him. But he can discuss about everybody. Or by camera, they talk about other people, but nobody can talk about him. Are you people okay, or are you people sick in the head? Some of you deserve like Abayono medicine. Your fan base will naturally create. You guys are gradually turning into terrorists. In case if you don't know. I don't know how you people are comfortable living this kind of nonsense life. VDM is free to share his opinion about people, but people cannot share their opinion about it in this country. Nobody has ever done it. Even during the military rule. The Nigerian military were power to control anything, but they couldn't do it. Abasha, go and name them. How can we people stand up to them and spoke to them, and yet nothing happened? On Obiana, this 21st century, maybe I made this rubbish. Send that nonsense. Look at you, MCIs. I don't know what to do in high esteem, but with this video, I don't even know what to say to you. I don't know what to say to you. Idolize VDM. All of us should worship him. Even if he is an angel and you see him as an angel, I have the right to see him as a devil. That is my opinion. That is me. Provided I'm not leveling any false allegation against him, I am free to share my opinion about him. You are not the owner of Facebook. Mark Azoka is the owner of Facebook, yet he allowed everybody to share their opinion on Facebook without doing anything. It is now you people. Yada Agwasi Mark Azoka that not wrong by allowing VDM to be on Facebook, where he has 4-point-something million followers. He can talk about people, but people cannot talk about him. Some of you do very sick in the head. We will see how it will go. We will see how it will go. Rubbish.